Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today, I really do appreciate it. So today we're going to be swatching this gorgeous Natasha Denona mini retro palette. It is really pretty. The consistency of it isn't the same across the board. These two shades are absolutely gorgeous here, but this one here, this one's called Pixie. It's a different formula altogether. You'll see it in the swatches, because I'm just going to go and swatch them now. I'm going to take you over to the vanity table and we'll do some swatches on it. But for me personally, I do like it, but it's just not. I would have liked it more if it was this consistency, this formula. I don't know what the difference is in formulas. I don't know what this formula is. If you know, just leave me a comment down below, because this one doesn't feel like all the other Natasha Denona eyeshadows that I've used. It doesn't feel like any I've got in my bronze palette or my glam palette. It just feels, I don't know, really powdery and really chunky. Anyway, let me show you what I mean. I'll show you in the video, and it should show up in the swatches. It won't look like these. These look so foiled and metallic. So it's like they're metallics and that's just a shimmer. That's what it feels like to me anyway. If I'm wrong, I don't know much about Natasha Denona's formula. If I'm wrong, then please leave it in a comment down below. I know that some of her eyeshadows are cream to powder, so maybe they're cream to powder and then this one's just a shimmer. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I'd greatly appreciate it. And without further ado, let's go over to the vanity table and start swatching. So yeah, this is the third and final palette. This is what we're going to be swatching next. It is really pretty, but I do prefer the mini star palette to this one, which is called the mini retro. I got this off my sister for Christmas. It's gorgeous, but like I said, I do prefer the other one. It's just all about your personal preferences. So yeah, we're going to swatch this palette now. So we're going to start off here and work our way across. So again, it's got 2 mattes and 3 shimmers. So we're going to go in with Galaxia, which is this really nice pink here. Got kind of silver shimmers in it. Let me do another swatch and it might pick up better. I didn't notice that before when I was using it. Don't know if you can see it, but it's got like kind of a silver to blue tint in it as well, which is kind of cool. That's obviously why they've named it Galaxia. The next one is called Industrial. Which looks like that. That looks like a shade that should be in the glam palette. Really pretty. And I've only used these palettes once, just to test them out for the channel. The next shade is a matte and it's called 60s. It's a grey matte. So I definitely need to bring these out soon. The next matte is called Vintage Taupe. It's a nice rosy pink. That would just look nice just by itself all over the eyelid and into the crease, and maybe with a bit of this on. What shade was that again? Galaxia. And then the last shade, I think this one, if I remember correctly, this one here, Pixie, I think it was very powdery. Yeah, it's not the same formula as the other shades in it. I don't know what these two are, but this Pixie shade is not the same. You can see it in the swatches here. I'm going to do another swatch. Doesn't feel as nice, and I think that's why I haven't used it in a while. These two are really nice. These two are nice, but I'm not a lover of this one here. So that's all 5 swatches. This is the beautiful palette. Just because I don't like this shade, I wouldn't call it a write-off or a fail or anything like that, because I do like the 4 shades, and 4 out of 5 isn't too bad. This one isn't the worst eyeshadow I've ever used, but when you look at these two eyeshadows and then you see that, you can just tell the pigment's different. But this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you've not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'm currently working on a giveaway and I would love for you to take part in it. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.